OSC is an ethical, sustainable, and zero-waste garment manufacturing factory in Nigeria. We take our time to produce high-quality, made-in-Nigeria garments for men, women, and children. We offer contract manufacturing for those who want to outsource their production to us. Uniforms, t-shirts, polos, those are our specialty. If you have that collection for your brand, we will produce it for you. Our retail store carries all our highly checked products, ranging from things for men, women, and children. Visit us today and the trial will convince you.